Okay, people, YouTube viewers, this is my 2009 F1 Haro. It's a fairly nice bike, I guess. It's better than the last bike I had, stupid ass Schwinn BMX bike. Piece of shit. This is way better. Needs a couple new parts though. As you can see, the grip's pouring out. Got a couple scratches right there, but I don't really scratches on the bike, right? I don't know, here for beefing it. And more jacked up handle grips. And so you can see this brake right here is bent really badly. It's bending. It's kind of hard to show you, but as you can see, it's bending down like that. As of this one, it just has it straight down. This one's curved all the way. This one's just like that. Yeah, don't remember how that happened. But there's the front tire. I don't have the front brake on there right now. Well, the front pad, at least, it's over there. I gotta put it back on. I'm fixing those. Pretty good handlebars, guess. It's a good frame. The whole bike, I got it on sale. It's like $264. So I buy it cheap so I can customize it my own way. And I just haven't gotten around to it yet. It's a fairly nice bike. And I'm about to go session here. So, hope y'all like it. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of suck at bunny hops and stuff. I'm okay at wheelies. Guess if you saw any good wheelies you like, you can comment or whatever. Subscribe, please. I'm about to go head down to a loading dock near here and jump off that. It's pretty fun, though. Pretty fun. See if I can get a good camera angle. I don't have my camera guy here today. He's in Austin doing hockey. So, okay, so I'm gonna try to do my. I'll see y'all over there. Okay, people, I'm here at this loading dock. About to jump it. It's freezing cold out here. It's like 32 degrees. It's freaking cold. So I hope I won't fail, because we're landing on solid concrete from like waist high. But we're gonna do it because it's pretty fun. Okay, so y'all best do it. Hope y'all like it. Okay, hopefully y'all can see. Okay, now I got my boat. Jump. Hope y'all like it. Okay, people, I did it. I'm still alive. That's a good thing. So, show you the view of what I just jumped one more time. Loading dock. It's high up close. I'll go on up there and show you. In the stair format, it's like the stairs right next to it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stairs. Pretty good, I guess. So all I did was come up here, came around here, went back there, came, had the turn, went like this, jumped off here at this point, landed. So yeah, that's about it. I might find something else to show y'all, but for right now, that's it.